Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta ulayathu baka exam nurse kabala penlong siyan ka Ïaid Beit Ryntih klem kanu ka jing e. Nakalyang Professor Nalin Mehta habaya kren bikinong thok kubor halor ka examen thap kam jong kani ka jaka ay jing sumar kabala long habun tili ki jilla ulaong ka don ka All India Examination kabala penlong habun tili ki jilla kibakan thop ru ka jilla Assam bat Meghalaya bat ka don ka center ha Northeastern Hills University ru ulay thu namar ka don ka jingja ha kini ki khnyak sngi kala don ka jingkar pat ni ki nong yalaman pelaj iki samla thap kam na ka jilla Meghalaya balit tho sha Assam na ka banta ki tu ki bam shim lala ban wan kala don ka jingkar pat ban penlong biang hendai ki babun ki samla puli kilawan banto ka exam thep kam hajala Assam ru nakalang Professor Mehta ulay thu baka examen ka Ïaid Beit Ryntih klem kanu ka jingthod badula ay kublay kerpang ka sarkar Meghalaya bar Assam kibla shim kya baka ni ka examen kan Ïaid Beit Ryntih ulay thu ru baka ni ka examen ka de halor ka kam ki balaj ha kani ka jaka sumar ha ka baki dan hadu arspa lay potli ki kam nursing officer ki balaj.
There was an all India examination which was held in multiple states, including Assam and Meghalaya, and there was a center at Nehu. Right? Because of the current prevailing situation, there was a request from some of the senior leaders to exempt the students from Meghalaya from appearing in Assam. So those who could not reach, for them there was a request to reschedule the examination. But a vast majority of the students appeared in Assam and they appeared in Guwahati as well as in Jorhat. There was a total of 8 centers, 7 in Guwahati, 1 in Jorhat. So the students have appeared, more than 1700 students have appeared in this. So, and the exam went on peacefully thanks to the governments of Assam and Meghalaya. There was no issue at all and the exam was very successful and peacefully conducted.
And were they being held in Shillong also?
Yeah, the exam was held in Shillong, in Nehu in fact. It was held here.
When?
On 2nd of December it was held. And if there is a requirement for rescheduling for those who could not reach, that will be done at a date which will be announced. This is for recruitment of nursing officers.
Like how many, sir?
We have a total of 230 odd posts which have been advertised.
This is purely for Negrams.
This is only for Negrams. So whenever we have the rescheduling will be done for those who require it. So if we hear from the candidate and then we will reschedule.
So we can say there is no issue, no problem.
No, there is no problem at all. Absolutely. Recruitment will be done.
Thank you, sir.